Ready? So I got my little buddy here. How old are you? Huh? You're 2. You're adorable. Can you show us your superhero tooth? Show my friend. Show him. Can you see in there? You got a superhero tooth 2 days ago, right? Are you ready for another one? Uh-huh.
3 ones.
You want 3 superhero teeth? You got it. Okay. Ready? Let me see with my mirror. Let's look. Can you make your mouth open big? Ooh. Ooh. He's hungry. He wants to eat something. Your teeth disappeared. Can I see him? Thank you. Relax your lips. Okay, we're gonna look. There it is. Good job. Let's look over here. There's your cool little rubber band that we put in there. Wow.
And Mom replaced. She did a
Really
great
nice.
job.
Good job, Mommy. Mommy gets a sticker too. Here, look up high. We got one up there. Ooh. Very nice. Okay, wow. And your teeth look so clean and nice. All right, we're going to take the little rubber bands out first. Let's see. Let's see if we can adjust this light because it's getting blocked a little bit. How's that? Can you open really big? Let's take out your little rubber band. Open really big. Good job. Boop. I got it. Are you okay? Good boy. Can you open really big? Let's get the one on the top. Can you look up high? Good job. Open really big. Let me get it. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Ready? We're going to brush your teeth. Here we go. Okay, we got some plain pumice. Let's brush. Good boy. Doing great. Okay, I'm going to brush the top tooth. Ready? Let's see. Good job. Doing good. Ready for another little rinse? Here we go. Okay. Cool. Are you ready? Ready for some superhero teeth? I can't remember. Did we use the mouth prop on him the other day? The little pillow? He just opened for me.
We had it out and ready to go, but we didn't use it.
We decided he probably would like it. That's right.
It would be it would make more of a-
That's okay.
But I did have it out if you need it.
Okay, ready? We're going to put my little towel in there because I don't want you to eat a superhero crown for breakfast. Can you open really big? Thank you. I'm going to put it behind your teeth. I'm going to do the lower left. So he had a size 4 NuSmile on his lower right first molar. On this one, show him your tooth. So this is probably going to be a 4 as well. Can you open really big? We just have to try it on.
She's just going to try it on
Yeah.
and that will come out, okay?
Open really big. So I just don't want it to fall in your mouth.
Open
That would
big.
not be good.
It's okay. This is like paper.
And then you're going to get a prize and a sticker.
Open really
You
big.
want a token?
We give extra prizes for the good little helpers.
And a bouncy ball?
Open really big. He likes to make fishy lips today. There's your tooth. We found it.
Hi, tooth.
Okay, let me try a 3 just out of curiosity. It's all right. We're just trying it on. Okay, we'll see if one size smaller fits too, but that might. Let's try one more size. Let's see if we can get it to fit a little bit smaller. Ready? Open really big. Let me put my tissue because I don't want you to eat it. Oh, that's so.
You're the best.
You're a professional now. This is a little too tight. I don't think that's going to cover down there. Okay, so we're going to go with our size 4 again. Does that sound good? All right, so now we're going to mix our special glue,
All right.
our cement, and we'll pop that superhero on there. And then we'll do the top guy, and then you'll have 3 superhero teeth. Does that sound cool? Okay, good. Does it make you like stronger and faster when you have superhero teeth? I thought so. You're already pretty cute, but now you're stronger and faster. Did you show everybody your tooth? What'd they say?
Did they say
What they
Thinking
said.
about it.
Did they like it? Did everyone like it? Yeah.
Yeah? Were they surprised? Can you open really big? Open really big. We're gonna give you your
This is like a little
superhero
blanket.
tooth now. Remember, I have to push it. Open really big.
Big, big, big.
Big, big, big. You can do it. You can do it. I know you
It's
can.
okay. Almost done.
Good job. Big push. Oh, big push. Okay. Can you bite on it? Sure, bite down.
Think about your prizes.
Say cheese. Bite tight. Bite, 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 bite.
Bite down on it.
Bite down like you're mad. It's okay. I'll just hold it for you. Good job. Okay.
You're okay.
Ready?
It's okay.
Can I
Let me go
can I
give you-
wipe the glue off for
She's just
you?
gonna clean it. Can
Okay.
she clean it?
Yep. We're
And
gonna
then,
rinse.
and then it'll be done.
Oh, it looks good. Okay, she's gonna rinse it. It's okay. She's all right. Okay. Little water. It's a shower. Yay! Good job. I'll take a little floss. Good job. Can I see how nice it looks?
Show her.
Yay!
Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, a little bit of floss. Remember, it feels tight. Just for a little bit. Can you open big so I can floss, please?
Boy.
Make sure there's no glue in there.
You get an extra prize. So you can just take a
Okay, let me just wipe it. I know it tastes a little sour. Do 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 do.
Wipe out the sour.
Get rid of that
Oh,
sour
there.
glue. Oh, it looks really nice. Let's show our friends. Ooh, she's pretty. That looks good. You get your prize.
You have one? Okay. Oh. Okay, what's it gonna be? What is it? A beaver.
Are you happy now? Can you show me one more time? Show me your shiny
Show me your
tooth.
superhero teeth.
Give you thumbs up. Thank you. Oh, you have so much money you can't even do thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Remember, like this?
Cheese. Number 1. Oh, you're adorable. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.